Добрый день. Меня зовут Роман Цибульский, и я руководитель компании
Hello,
Capsulator.ru.
my name is Roman.tsibulsky, and I'm the CEO of the company CapsulesForYou.com. Our company offers equipment and technology for the production of soft, seamless capsules. At present, we have two capsule shell technologies. This is a classic gelatin technology and a new innovative technology of capsule shells made of plant material. We use a plant material called agar-agar for our capsules. This is an alga-based material. The technology will be of interest in the production of capsules for the Eastern market, for the market of Arab countries, for Muslims, vegans, and vegetarians, and wherever the use of animal gelatin is not required. We present this technology on the global market as we are the only company possessing such a technology. In addition to the technology, we have developed an automated encapsulation line that allows producing these products.
В состав нашей автоматической линии входят следующие виды.
Our automated line consists of the following types of devices: a heated tank with an agitator for producing both gelatin and agar gel. This is a universal unit. This tank has mixing blades that allow maintaining homogeneous condition of the gel during its production. The volume of this heated tank with agitator is 50 liters, thus ensuring continuous 24-hour operation of the equipment.
Гель подается в наш капсулятор по специальным подогреваемым шлангам.
A special pump feeds the gel from the heated tank with agitator to our encapsulator via a special heated hose. These hoses maintain heating up to 90 degrees Celsius, thus ensuring equal heating of the entire material and continuous operation of the equipment. Behind me is a new model of the encapsulator entirely made in accordance with GMP standards. All the inside and outside edges are made with a radius, allowing easy and efficient cleaning. Also, all electrical components, pumps, and electric motors are of European production from Italy and Germany. We strive to create a device that is as reliable and convenient for our users as possible.
После формирования капсул они автоматически выходят.
After the capsules are formed, they are automatically released into the washing and spinning device, which significantly reduces the operating time in comparison with our old model, where this operation was performed manually. Now the capsules automatically jump from one device to another, which eliminates the need for manual operator work.
Также нами было разработано уникальное.
We have also developed a unique system for continuous drying of capsules. It is different from all those options that exist on today's market of pharmaceutical equipment. This system has no analogs, and we do not show it today, only for the reason that we do not want our competitors to copy it before we start its production and sale.
Мы разработали нашу автоматическую линию.
We have developed our automated line, which is entirely made of stainless steel, ensuring compliance with the GMP standard requirements. You can easily certify and validate such equipment at your production facility and use it to manufacture products of the same quality as the market leaders. Our compact automatic line is a unique offer. Today, there is no analog equipment on the capsule market in terms of either cost or performance, or uniqueness of the shell composition and material. We are the only company that has achieved it.
Многие важные части нашего оборудования имеют европейские.
Many important parts of our equipment have a European certificate, which is very important for customers from Europe, the USA, and Canada. We use a Chinese-made reactor for gel production, but this is the only factory we have found in China that can produce equipment certified in Europe. The encapsulator itself is fully manufactured by our employees and our workers at the production facility in Minsk, Belarus. We carefully test each machine before sending it to customers, thus guaranteeing workability of this equipment for 200%.
Любой наш покупатель
Same as before, Any of our customers have the opportunity to invite our adjuster to visit their facility. Within 5 days, he will commission and set up the equipment, train the personnel, and give some advice and recommendations on how to use the equipment. By the present time, none of our customers has stopped the capsules production for any reason. Our equipment works everywhere. People produce the products and successfully develop their business.
Мы отправляем наше оборудование.
We ship our equipment to any country, including the former Soviet Union countries, the US, Canada, Europe, and around the world. We have well-working delivery channels and friendly companies that will help us with customs clearance in your country. At any time, our specialist will come to you and tell you how to arrange the capsules production business in the best way. This automatic line allows switching from the gelatin shell to agar-agar shell of the capsule and in the reverse direction. This allows you to produce more unique types of products.
Я очень горжусь тем результатом, который мы добились совместно с моей
I am
командой.
very proud of the result that we have achieved together with my team. Behind my back are the years of research, the work of our designers and process engineers. So far, no other company offers vegetarian capsules.
Вегетарианские капсулы – это очень интересный продукт. Надеюсь,
This is a very interesting product. I hope you will appreciate our efforts, become our customers, and build your business together with us. Do not hesitate to contact me. I will be happy to answer any of your questions. All the best. I'm Roman Tsibulsky.